Welcome back to Smart Home Hub, the place where we break down smart kitchen gear and coffee tech to help you brew better at home. Today, we're reviewing a grinder designed for serious coffee lovers and home baristas, the BioloMix Professional Conical Burr Grinder. This is not your average blade grinder or brewing a smooth French press. One of the standout features here is the 48 adjustable grind settings. From ultra-fine espresso to coarse French press, you simply turn the dial and choose the exact grind size you need. This wide range makes the BioloMix extremely versatile. One grinder, all brew methods. No guessing, no compromises. Just dial it in and grind. Inside, the conical burr mechanism crushes beans evenly instead of chopping them like blade grinders. That means better extraction, richer flavor, and more consistency in every cup. It's faster, quieter, and far more reliable for daily use, especially for espresso. The large digital display gives you two grinding modes. You can select the number of cups, up to 12, or switch to time-based grinding, adjustable in precise 0.5-second increments. Even better, the grinder remembers your last settings thanks to its intelligent memory function, so your routine stays fast and effortless. If you've ever dealt with coffee grounds sticking everywhere, you'll appreciate this part. The BioloMix features an anti-static treated powder container, making grounds easy to pour with minimal mess. After grinding, simply turn the machine off and tap. Clean, simple, and efficient. This grinder is clearly designed with espresso users in mind. It includes two dedicated portafilter holders, one for 51 to 53 millimeters and another for 58 millimeter portafilters, plus dosing accessories. Your coffee is ground directly into the portafilter, saving time and keeping your workflow clean and professional. Inside the package, you'll find a cleaning brush, a bellow blower for clearing leftover grounds, a 58 millimeter portafilter holder, a 51 to 53 millimeter portafilter holder, a magnetic dosing cup, and a multilingual user manual. Everything you need to get started and keep the grinder performing at its best. The BioloMix Professional Conical Burr Grinder is an excellent choice for home baristas who want precision, flexibility, and espresso-focused design without stepping into ultra-high-end pricing. With 48 grind settings, smart controls, anti-static performance, and direct portafilter grinding, it delivers both convenience and quality. This has been Smart Home Hub. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a smart coffee upgrade. Drop a comment below and tell us, espresso, pour over, or French press? What's your daily brew?